Hello. I'm still in the pet room. So I have been exercising this keyboard. I have 2, 3, 4. So, as in I've hit each of these bad keys bunches of times. And it's funny, some of them, like this question mark, when you just push it, it seems quite happy. When you give it more, it's not interested. And the comma key seems to have woken up. Oh, I forgot about the 5. Why didn't I write down the 5? Get that. That's one of the worst. Also the A. I wrote that down. I got one A in like a whole whack of times. But when I hit it slow and methodical like. So I think before opening this up again, boy, that number 5. It has never woken up. Alright, so number 5 is definitely still bad. The round bracket, they seem okay. The A, I got one A out of all that. The question mark. Getting there. Comma. Getting there. Asterisk. Getting there. 8. Nine. So, and the run stop key. Right. 5. It's funny. These keys are I've yet to see a 5 ever. The A, when I push ever so gently, I get 1, sometimes 2. Comma, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the comma seems to have woken. The asterisk seems to have woken the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Question mark. The 5. Nope. The A. If I push it like that very deliberately, it comes up. but if I give it a short thing, like as if I was typing, well, I guess what I'm going to do before I go back in, because I think I'm going back in, I will keep exercising and trying to determine any and all that have any issues. Because really, I only wanted to do this once, then I only wanted to do it twice. Now we're at 3 times. But tremendous progress has been made. Anyway, thanks for coming. One day this keyboard saga will be over. I hope it's today.